Hi, David. Darcy here with Media Mechanic. Again, thank you for letting me show you this website audit. Here's an opportunity to get an update of what Google's minimum requirements are for ranking websites nowadays, and maybe have a look at your competition and a paid-for tool that give you some insight to how a digital marketer sees websites. So, content is number one. We can control content on your website. We can control the keywords that people are typing into Google. We know those keywords relate to you, and we can put those on your website. So 1,500 to 2,000 words of content is where we're ramping websites up to accommodate Google's need to crawl websites for your information. Now, your pictures, that's considered your content as well. By optimizing those keywords, we can save your pictures and have them working for your website. Now, there's also a thing of backlinks and citations. Now, backlinks are other websites linking to you, and then citations are the organizations, local listings, or directories where you can put your company information into. And those are all benefit to your website because it's really a popularity contest. That popularity contest is measured with a tool called Ahrefs that scan millions of websites. They can give you a trust and a strength value here, the way they think that Google measures it. And here it shows you approximately how many backlinks, citations, and keywords you're ranking for. And then, of course, how many people approximately visited your website last month. To get a little technical on you, do follow citations are more powerful than non-follow. Same goes for backlinks as well. And backlinks are just, again, other websites. So if you had a rental company linking back to you, that increases your trust level with Google. What I'm showing you here is the history of your basically SEO is what it comes down to. My goal here is to introduce options for you to increase the strength of your website. One of them is updating your content, 2 is the backlinks, and 3 is the citations. And the reason I say those again is that we know exactly which backlinks you have. So if I know which backlinks you have, I know which backlinks your competition has, and we can rank you in that as well. Your competitor has some strength and trust with Google. We know they have some backlinks, citations, and they're ranking for keywords. They have more traffic. This is where I'd like to start your numbers out at, where you're getting a couple hundred people to your website. Other websites are good. They have videos, content, lots of good things happening. But really what it comes down to is that behind the scenes work, the SEO, the backlinking, that's where you can really jump leaps and bounds over your competition with steady effort. That is a consistent investment into your company, and your website should be making you money. So that's what I have today. There's no tricks, there's no secrets. This is some insight from a digital marketer into your website and some of the minimum requirements. David, I know you said you were going to be away for a bit. Feel free to reach back out to me. My number is 780-918-0832. If there's anything that I can advise on or help you with, let me know. Feel free to shoot me back some feedback on the email. Appreciate your time. Thank you.